In this video from shopstuff.co.uk we'll be showing you the brand new NCS 2300. This is an updated model for this year and features value counting. So here you can see I've turned it on and we've gone through its self checks and it's an auto start mode. The machine has three displays. One is a remote display, an LED, so therefore can be picked up by CCTV. A side display, or can be used also as a customer display, and then an operator display. Now this display can swivel to the other side and also tilt as well, so depending on customer or user's height. So using it couldn't be simpler. You simply take your notes that you want to count, move your guides in. It's a one type of note or one single denomination type machine. Place your notes in, and as you can see we've counted 34 notes. So this is currently working in piece mode, so this will count whatever goes through the machine. No detections on, no batching. Okay, so the next feature it has, and as I said this is a new feature for this model, is value and currency counting. So we can, to show you this, we simply press the currency button, which is here, and here you can see we've got sterling, GBP, we've got euros and dollars. So if we go back to GBP, and then we select the value that we're counting, so in this case 20. Once we're ready, we take our notes again, place them in the machine, and this time it will count the value of the notes rather than the individual amounts of notes going through the machine. Here you can see we've got 34 notes counted, value is 20, or value of each denomination is 20, and £680 in total counting. These two displays here still show the amount of notes being counted. So the next feature we have on this machine is size detection. So with size detection turned on, which again this machine has individual buttons, there's no menus to go through, simply go directly to DD. So this is looking at the depth or dimensions of the notes, and in this example I've placed a £5 note within the 20s, put these on. The machine shows a DD, and if we take the note out here we can see the last note counted was a £5, so therefore doesn't match the 20s. Simply remove this note, press the reset button, and it continues to count the notes. And here you can see now we've got 33 notes, £660 counted. Okay, so we simply take these notes out. You can then, in addition to this, you've also got add and batch. So add, if we take it here, we've still got the value on it and we've still got the size on it. And if you've got too many notes to fit in the machine, you can simply place the notes in, count this batch, take the notes, or take your next batch of notes to be counted, put them back in the machine, and it will keep adding to the total. The next feature this machine has is a batch mode. So here we can see we've got batch and 100. Press it again and it scrolls through the most popular ones. And if you want to, you can actually change this to count 11 or 10. So in this case, because I'm counting £20 notes, it's looking for 10 notes, in other words £200 worth. Simply place our notes in, the machine stops at 200, stops at another 200, and you can keep repeating this. Last amount being £80, so therefore hasn't met the batch. In addition to this, the machine also has UV and MG and IR detection. So UV, MG and IR detection. So in this mode, this looks for the presence of the security features within the notes, and these can be directly turned on and turned off. So for example, if you were counting Scottish notes from a certain or particular issuing bank, you wouldn't want the MG turn on because there is no MG ink or thread within certain notes. So it gives you the ability to still be able to use the machine in Scotland or in the UK and be able to set your denominations accordingly. So again, just once quickly, just show you the value again. So if we can use this, so we simply turn off the IR and the UV, and we get on the currency, we're currently on the GBP. We can scroll through to £10 note, we place the notes in the machine, move the guides accordingly so that the notes pass over each sensor, and here you can see we've got 10 notes of £100. Thank you for watching our video from shopstuff.co.uk.